Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a desk tour. I'm going to be decluttering, organizing, and cleaning up my desk space. So I thought it'd be really fun for you guys to see a before and after of my desktop. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love watching people organize. I thought I would take you along with me. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get started. All right, so here's a look at what my desk looks before I start cleaning it up and moving things around. It's not too disheveled. This is what it looks like pretty much on a regular basis, where I have my coffee cup out, my phone, and my planner open. And then I have all of my stuff that I use for work, so I do need all those things on there. I do have my IKEA add-on unit that I have right on top, and then the tabletop and the drawers are all from IKEA as well. And the chair was a gift, but if I can find it, I will leave the link down below. So I wanted to give you a little close-up of what I have on top of the desk so far. I am going to be moving all this stuff around. I have a little tray here from Home Goods with my smaller sticker albums, some note cards, a candle, and my nail polish. In the top drawer here, I have my scale, some stamps, and my business cards. Now, I think I'm just going to keep that how it is. I might move it around a little bit. Right below the desk, I do have an extra hard drive, my Polaroid zip, some little stickers here that I grab. They're usually like oops stickers that I use. And then I have my headphones, some extra bits that I use for packaging, my coffee, my cell phone that is on a stand. I'll leave that down below as well. My bullet journal, and then in this drawer, I keep a bunch of scrap paper. So I use it for list taking and things that I need to cut. So that drawer is not going to be changing either. So let's get to cleaning this thing up. So the first thing I'm going to do is take everything off of the desk. I really want to do a huge deep clean here. I don't do this that often, so it's going to be actually really nice to have everything cleared off so I can clean it all up. It's also going to be really nice to finally get that air conditioner out of the window. I mean, I'm not a big fan of winter. I prefer summertime, but the air conditioner in my office window is kind of an eyesore. You guys can see I love sitting right in front of the window and looking outside every day. The birds are just amazing out here, and I usually have the blinds up so I can see everything, but you guys can see half of the window is taken by the air conditioner, and really there is nothing I can do about that except during fall and winter time. So I'm so excited to finally get that out of the window. So I'm just finishing off cleaning up the desktop before we get the air conditioner out of there. I'm actually going to have my boyfriend come help me because it is super heavy, and he is so smart. He actually grabbed a cardboard box so that when we get the air conditioner out, he didn't scratch the tabletop. We're also going to take the hummingbird feeder down, which is such a bummer. I love seeing the hummingbirds, but they do not come during the winter time. And my boyfriend's super sweet. He cleaned all of my windows for me, and you guys can see these windows are a little strange to me anyway, so I'm very grateful that he came to help. And Patty Cakes is also here to help. She's probably going to be in and out of the video. She loves coming and seeing what I'm doing, especially when I'm moving everything around. You guys have like a cat that comes and investigates everything, and when I bring a new box in the house, it's like Christmas to her. So I picked up this really cute desktop shelf. It is so strange. You guys can see you're just like pushing the pieces together, much like a puzzle. I had to get a little bit of help from Brian, even though it was like super easy to put together. I just needed a little bit more like strength. So I am playing around with where I want it. You guys can see it. Patty, of course, is here to help again. Now I actually moved it around from the left to the right hand side like several times, played with the blinds to see if I could see out. I didn't like that it was taking up that much space on top of my desktop because I was getting rid of the air conditioner so that I could actually see outside of my window. and I really wanted to put in like taller things, so I am just testing out to see how much like I can see outside. It definitely is better than the air conditioner, but I am not going to actually have it on the desk, so I'm just going to put it aside and see where else I can put it. I grabbed some of my bookends from my other like larger bookshelf, and I thought that that gave me a lot more like window space, so I'm going to keep that there for now. And on the left I added a little box which was perfect. I'm going to use that for my outgoing mail, and then I'm also going to use the same tray with all of my sticker albums. These are the mini sticker albums that I keep all of my samplers, also some note cards for thank yous, and then more sticker albums. Those are for my quarter sheets. I also have a little candle up here. I don't burn it, but I like the smell of it. And then I like to keep my nail polish that I'm using for the week just so I can touch it up easily. Right below my computer I have my extra stickers, tape, and some sticky notes, and then of course I have to have my bullet journal and my mouse pad. And I did find a little home for the desktop bookcase. I put it in my larger bookcase with my mini sticker albums and a few like Erin Condren cards and my Foxy Fix. I thought I would give you guys a little glimpse of my before so you guys can see the little disheveled desk area that I once had, and now my after. I just feel like it is so much more open, definitely night and day. Literally I started the video in the day and now it's nighttime. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my little desk tour and maybe got some inspiration on how to organize your own desktop. If you did and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!